Where's the little cat, Jessie?
Under there. Okay.
Now tell Auntie Kay what the name of this cat is.
Pocahontas.
Pocahontas. And how old is Pocahontas?
Pocahontas is not even one. She's only probably about 3 months.
3 months.
Ow!
And is she male or is it she or a he?
A she.
Is it she? And where did she come from? Next door?
Yes.
So she's got brothers and sisters close by.
Yes, very.
And she's not happy about being picked up?
No.
No. She got a face?
Huh?
There's a face. Auntie Kay, I want to see a little face. A little face for Auntie Kay. This is the last of the great superheroes, is it?
Huh?
Last of the great superheroes.
Yep. Where's Pocahontas gone?
Over under the car.
No, there she is. Can I go under there? She's gonna what are you doing? Are you gonna jump over it? My little ones. Oh, sorry.
What did you make a mark?
Yeah.
Geez, Dad will be happy about that.